video that I was gonna put out a while ago, but totally forgot about it actually. But this is an actual UHF repeater in a Pelican case. The repeater is an NX or a TKR 840. She is tuned for 442.350 receive, 447.350 transmit with 173.8 hertz tone. And this, she's on an SCC 1212 power supply, and I got the got her on the UHF duplexer here. So yeah, she's all bolted in. And it's bolted into the bottom of the case, as well as the repeater and power supplies in that. So right now, she's that's a little update that I've got. I spent one afternoon, I guess, putting this together. I've been saving up the parts over, well, for years, saving it up. I want to have my own little UHF repeater, and well, I've got one there now. It's actually a portable unit. I got a steel plate. There's only an indoor antenna, so there's nothing fancy here, folks. So, you know, don't shit on me for it. There's lots of repeaters in town, but like I said, this is just a temporary, basically how I want this is a pack it up and go sort of thing, that if UHF repeaters need it somewhere, then basically here it is. So yeah, steel plate, mag mount antenna, which connects to the side, goes through the case. I've got a double end female adapter drilled. Got a plastic drill and pushed that in through, so it's a nice and tight connection. And what else I got? The AC cord coming in over here, going through a grommet, which runs the power supply. So there we have it. That's a portable UHF repeater. How many of these are kicking around?